Mr. Ash Mufareh just posted a very gratifying response to how we, as founders and affiliates, are working together to help him in the rebuilding of our core values that we have shared. Never before has there been a time that the owner of any company and its founders and affiliates work harmoniously to get things accomplished. We are faithful even in small things that he asks us to do. And each time we participate, Mr. Mufareh is overwhelmed and very appreciative of the over 95% of founders and affiliates who are in step with everything he asks us to help him out with. He honors us when he has that much confidence in us. Have you seen how the pop-ups in the OES are getting quicker and quicker? That is the growth taking place. We are in step with him and his technology teams. What some may think is mundane is monumental to Mr. Mufareh and his technology team. See that we are ready for the bigger things that they have for us to perform in a global moment to remember. Mr. Mufareh said this yesterday. We came together for a powerful global live update, streamed across more than 20 YouTube channels, and the response was nothing short of extraordinary. Hundreds of thousands have already tuned in, but what truly amazed us was the overwhelming feedback, energy, and impact this event created around the world. During this historic moment, we proudly unveiled our new platform, Victory with Ash, a movement, a mission, and a milestone for our community. Success! A heartfelt thank you goes to our incredible team, the dedicated hosts and panelists, and of course every one of you who attended the live stream. You made this event not only possible, but unforgettable. He says if you missed the live stream or just want to relive the excitement, the full playback is now available. This is your chance to witness the energy, the announcements, and the vision that's already inspiring countless lives. Together, we're not just making history, we're shaping the future.